So hey, what's up guys? I bought a IQsheild for the OnePlus 6. I bought this guy. So far so good. I'm using it right now. See, I purchased it. So it's evidence I purchased it. So you would go on YouTube and watch a tutorial on how to install it. IQsheild OnePlus. So right here. So first things first, you get spray, towel, what's this? Squeegee, and the skin. So next up, you're gonna spray it on the table, clean it up. Damn, I have long nails, man. Really long nails. Clean the surface. Well, I didn't do that. I used like Lysol clean spray. But yeah, clean on the spray. Next, you're going to close your phone. Close that phone. Next, you're gonna spray a damp cloth and wipe down the screen. It's a solution, not adhesive. But I didn't do that. I used the tape trick where I used like a long 3M tape and like went one by one all the way down and got all the lint off. But you have fingerprints on your screen. Now you spray your fingers, both sides, make them nice and wet. Really long nails. Those long nails. Alright, cool. Now you're going to peel it. Why is the peeling process so long? I don't know, man. Okay, spray this side, and you're gonna peel it. Come on, peel. And you're gonna spray this side too. This is a sticky side, so spray liberally, and then you're gonna stick it onto your screen. Damn, it takes a long time. Stick it on the damn screen! Right, she sticks it on the screen. And now, you can maneuver it. Use squeegee now. Presto. I put less than that, but that's fine. This thing's like splash proof. And then you squeegee it. Hold down, you squeegee. I will let it dry for the first 5 minutes and squeegee again. You squeegee. And it looks like that in the next day. I would do it at night though. And thanks for watching. So I did install it, but since I didn't have anyone to like, you know, cameraman me, I decided to just voice over the original. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.